Hey and hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Johanna and it is my creative corner. In today's video we'll flip through all completed pages that I colored in June. Wow, time flies and this month was actually quite busy for me, so I have for you 7 pages in total in 6 books. So make yourself comfortable, as my cat just did, and sit back. We'll flip through just in a minute. Right in the beginning of June, I have started this book I got myself in May. It is On the Other Side of a Dream by Karolina Kubikowska, and it is absolutely gorgeous. In this book I did already 2 pages. First of them I did in the very beginning of the month. It is this page. I did it using my signature mixed media approach based on crayons. So I did this page using Crayola crayons, Neocolors, some silky crayons, probably colored pencils a little bit. I know that I have a process video tutorial on this page available in my channel, so if you would like to go into the details, I will leave the link in the description box below to this page. I did this page using Love Don't Live Here Anymore color palette, which is a part of my Twilight Stories color palette bundle. It's available on Etsy, Gumroad, and obviously as a part of my master color palette library and never-growing collection of color palettes. It's like one of the darkest pages I've colored so far, but I like it though. It really reflected my feelings and emotions I was feeling when I was coloring this page. The second page I did in this book is lighter, although still kind of enchanted and magical. It's this page. I'm not sure if you can see, but I did use gold silky crayons on the margins of this page, and it's glowing a little bit. I'm not sure if camera can pick it up. I love this page. It has such a soft, airy and magical vibe. Okay, fortunately plenty of more pages to go in this book. I truly recommend Karolina Kubikowska's artwork if you are in such a dreamy, if you like this dreamy, surreal vibe. I also did a flip through of this book on my channel, so you can watch it too. I did also another Stag page in the book Dimensions by François Gautier. It is this one, and as usual it was actually quite quick coloring. It took me, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours to finish this page, and I used my mixed media approach based on crayons, so you know, all the crayons I had are in this page. In regards to color palette, I used Eric Grave markers from my Halloween bundle. I color a lot using, you know, spooky Halloween Twilight Stories color palette because they calm me down. They bring me tranquility and peace and evoke the feelings of calmness, so I do use these vibes a lot in my coloring pages. Next page I colored in June is actually the last one I did, and it is in Mythic Word by Kerby Rosanes. It is this shape-shifting creature called Nyx. Here we go. I used Crayola crayons, Neocolors, acrylic paints. I wanted to reflect that the creature or spirit, however you want to call it, is rather the ominous one. According to the legend, it takes the shapes of wild animals, usually a beautiful horse, and it drags its victims away into the water. I'm not sure if his evil nature is accordingly reflected on this page. I colored this page using Foggy Night's color palette from my Halloween color palette book. It's the next page. Another page that I did in Kerby Rosanes page is one I did in Mythomorphia. And where is it? Okay. It is the Mermaid page. And it was truly a feast of my coloring supplies when I was doing the page, because not only I used all my crayons, but also solar paste, which gives the glow to the bubbles, to the scales, to the crown. I also have a video tutorial for this page where I show the process step by step, what I did to achieve this effect. The page was done using my Mermaid on the hand color palette from the Twilight Stories bundle. I'm really surprised how this page turned out, because with my approach I cannot truly predict how the page will eventually look like, so it's a kind of also a surprise to me. I also did a page in Magical Words by Johanna Basford. Oh, how lucky. It is this page. I did this page because I wanted to check out the new set of Crayon of Neocolor II I got from Crayon from my mom. All the colors that you can see on the pages come from this set. And once I colored in the bird and the border, I was like, oh my, there is still so much blank space on this page. And I started to play with Neocolors to create these bubbles. And there's also a tutorial for this bubble effect on my channel. It's the first time I actually did it. It was kind of spontaneous idea that I decided to test. And since you liked the effect on Facebook, I decided to do a short tutorial on my channel too. As you can see, I was playing with a paintbrush here, and I didn't have a good sense of the water which was in the brush, so I did use a little bit to water here. That's why this page here is a little bit wobbly, but basically I like the effect and I enjoyed the process, so that's the most important to me. And the last page I have for you today is in Dark Fairy Tales by Kerby Rosanes. It is the project book. It's my project book for this year. Specifically for this book, I do create a series of color palette called Twilight Stories. The first bundle is already available on Etsy and Gumroad, and as a part of my color palette library. And to color this page, I used the Midnight Carriage color palette. I really like final effect, the overall vibe of this page. It depicts a true nature of Cinderella's carriage that took her to the ball, which was kind of a seal to her fate. And Cinderella's fate, according to Kerby Rosanes, is not something we could be actually jealous of. So yeah, this is the page, and as you can expect, I used all the crayons I had, so Crayola crayons, Neocolor, silky crayons, plus colored pencils. I haven't used any kind of acrylic paint for highlights because I wanted to keep the highlights really soft and shadowy, like here or here. So for the highlights I used only white Prismacolor pencil. And this is the last page that I've got for you today to show you. I just wanted to quickly update you on my progress with color palettes. So I'm finishing my work on the color palettes, 3 color palettes that are every month made available for free on my Facebook group, Color Harmony Hub for Adult Coloring. If you are not there, feel free to visit the group, to download the freebie. There are still color palettes I did for May, and today I will upload the color palettes inspired by June. I am also finishing works on the vintage color palettes bundle. Hopefully they will be available already this week. If you have already access to my master color palette library, they will be made available for you for free. I wish I had prepped all the color palettes already, but as already mentioned, this month was kind of busy for me in regards to coloring. The 7 pages I did is quite a lot for me, so I had really little time to work on my color palettes, especially that I still have a part-time job, which takes me also a lot of time, not to mention my pets, the cat and the dog, which also absorb some of my free time. So yes, that's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If yes, please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. That helps a lot. Thank you, and until next time, bye bye.